Hi, my name is Antonis and I am the iconographer of this video. Here you can see me painting the face of Saint Spiridonas, the patron saint of the island of Corfu. I've been struggling for years to understand how to paint the light on a face, what comes first, what you paint on top of what, and especially the ψιμιθιές. It was all very confusing. I started painting in 1992 and it took me years of practice to get things in some order in my mind. So I decided to make these videos not only because painting the light on a face is something I really love, but also because they might help you to paint a Byzantine face yourselves. Or you might just relax, pray, and feel comforted when you watch these videos. If so, please consider subscribing to my channel. Just press the subscribe button below. It would be great for me. And more videos of these are about to come. So here you can see me painting the first light on the holy face of Saint Spiridonas. For this I use some cadmium red, some ochre, and some titanium white. I like the first light to be on the reddish side. When I'm done with the first light, I take some pigment, I mix it with the green brownish color of my proplasmos, and with that middle tone I paint the in-between space of the first light and the proplasmos. As you see, I have already painted the beard of Saint Spiridonas. If you like me to make a tutorial of how to paint this beard, please let me know at the comments below. I start to think the ψιμιθιές already from the second light. And then I soften the second light with a more liquid color. Then I'm doing the third light. It's almost white. Now I'm painting like ψημithιά. Again, some blending. And now I'm ready to apply my pure white, the final ψημithιά on the face of Saint Spiridonas. I always loved Saint Spiridonas with his nice cap. My grandmother used to tell me a story with two golden shoes, a pair of golden shoes of his. How people would give him golden shoes and he would give it back to the poor. Some light on the eyes here. And the pupil. So after painting the mouth and some shadows on the face, I'm almost done painting the face. Thank you so much again for watching this process. Please consider subscribing if you find this relaxing or helpful in any way. Thank you so much. Bye.